अभी तक आपने काफ़ी फ्लैगशिप फ़ोन्स देखे होंगे जो 6.1 इंच या 6.2 इंच के आसपास हैं। एंड बिलीव मी, आई लव देम फॉर द सिंपल रीज़न they are very handy. They have also become a sweet spot for smartphone size. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something truly exciting to explore. A compact phone that brings competition to all the smaller size flagships that we have seen in recent times. This is the OnePlus 13s, an answer to the demand for a compact flagship smartphone that does not compromise on specs. OnePlus says that the phone aims to deliver a premium experience in a more pocket-friendly form factor. Let's quickly discuss about it. First up, let's talk about the design. It is a compact smartphone with flat sides. The phone gets a 6.32 inch screen, and this is hands down the handiest phone OnePlus has ever made. It is a 1.5K high resolution panel with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits brightness. OnePlus has launched the phone in 3 colors: black velvet, pink satin, and a beautiful green silk, only available in India. Now for a classic OnePlus feature with a twist. The familiar alert slider has evolved into a customizable plus key. Just like the iPhone, it allows users to switch between ring, vibrate and silent and even customize it. Under the hood, ये phone आता है Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset के साथ, which is paired with 12GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. But power needs cooling. इसीलिए the OnePlus 13s features a massive cryovelocity vapor chamber, plus a cooling layer on the back of the cover to keep things chill. Now the cameras. The OnePlus 13s features a flagship level setup. There is a 50 megapixel main sensor and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera. Up front is a 32 megapixel sensor with autofocus. Compact phones often struggle with battery, right? No, not the OnePlus 13s. It packs a massive 5850 mAh battery that supports 80 watt super charging. OnePlus also provides a bunch of AI features that we will talk about in our detailed review. So there you have it, the OnePlus 13s, a compact phone that truly makes no compromises. Powerful, long-lasting battery and a flagship camera, all in your hand. Let us know what you think about the phone in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech videos like this. See you next time.